All right, we're at Wall Drug in Dakota. There's all the way up till you get here signs pointing to this place, so we'll see it. Let's.
I like this one. I'm happy you found stuff that you like. I really thought, oh, this isn't going to be good. Can we put this in the thing, baby? Hey, look at these. That's just your necktie.
Here, put this in mine. That's only $1. I'll get that. All right. And then I guess move on to see this. We're gonna buy this stuff. He got one selling.
Oh, one of it. Which one of these is yours? It doesn't
Yeah,
matter?
they're all same.
Doesn't matter.
So I'll just take one.
Wow, you're so good. Thank you.
Well, I heard him, he was very good about what he asked.
You got it? Yeah. Sleeping dragons.
Happy birthday. I think he's a little something with that.
Oh, that's so good. Here's where we are. Okay. And like back here is this guy and all these. This is one that's over here.
For Boston, that's the you should get.
Mm-hmm. So you need to see the chapel.
Yeah, and we've actually had church service in there. We have had people get married in that little chapel.
Oh, yeah? Cool.
Yeah.
Well, there's a toy shop that we can.
I have to find out what